are you right now?
Where are we?
Where are you?
There.
There. Ah.
I think
Your
this is
favorite
the
place?
from there.
Oh, Burj Khalifa is there, oh. Straight.
Up ahead.
Wow.
Huh.
Wow.
Hangin, eh?
Look at this.
Look at this building. So,
There.
Yes, it's day.
night to night.
No, it's not night to night. Papa's wrong.
You had an insect lights.
Wait. Look at this way.
You wanna go there? You don't wanna go to this park? Where are we going? If we go there, what are we gonna do?
Let's see what.
In the bathroom.
Whoa. This building's a very place.
Ah, no biking here.
Yeah, you have to walk when you cross.
Yes.
Diba? Sumusunod.
Uh,
So we can wait. Ants? Why are there ants?
Dirty, ano? Pero hindi na nililinis.
Look at the web.
Yeah.
Mama, there's a web. There's
Yeah.
the web.
Yes.
Oh no!
Pero
Don't be
nakakabila
careful.
siya.
You might
Ano?
fall.
yeah, thank you.
Ah! Why is this Papa squishing my leg?
Ano naman? Cameraman na naman.
We're here. Say hi, Nathan.
Hi.
We're here.
Again. We're here again.
Whoa! Wait, this is a deer building.
Yes, nice view.
Why? There's the D building.
Is it the same? A smaller thing.
Wow, look at the boat, oh.
Remember the other
Wave your hand.
Why are there so many?
Yeah, you remember we went in the yacht the other day? If you could fall into the current.
Oh, look at the boat. Oh. Wow. Oh, ignore it. They're wet. Oh, wow. Ouch. Water. We bumped.
That's not right.
That's not right.
It's alright. It's alright.
What's that?
We're done.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy?
Yes. Where's this waterfall?
No, we will bump.
Yay!
سيري تاكس وستوى لما سويت دانو جاكشن يصاب
Boy, don't do that.
Ah! This wheel.
Slide.
Wait, that one can sit.
You sit.
Slide. Watch out, Nathan. Tayo. Motorista.
Oh.
Ano yung
Ah.
munti ka na ma-hire si dito, pero finally hindi siya na-hire.
Ah.
Viewing deck.
Ano lang to? Maliit lang to.
Viewing.
Ay, nagpicture kayo dito before.
Karga ko siya ng picture ulit.
Tama yung ano, clouds.
Okay, doon sa bilibang.
Nathan, be careful.
Hey!
Wala nito.
Oh.
उधर हमारा आदमी बताया आपको कुछ रेट वेट
Refreshing yung lugar. Ganda.
Yeah.
बघितलं दुधाची एकदम
Sarap talaga pag may ate, ano?
Go.
So yung kabilang side pala, yun yung luma.
Ah. Ano kaya yun?
Yung ano?
Palaruan.
Libre lang yun.
Libre pagkakain mo doon.
Malamang. Ano yan? Kalash Parbat.
Ew.
Nathan, don't speak there.
Ano? Gusto mo?
Tingnan natin.
Baka mamahal.
Mukha. Tingnan natin.
Kita na.
Nakita niya na agad.
ਇਸ ਗੱਲੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਕੁਛ ਇਸ ਗੱਲੋਂ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਨੇ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਾਨੋ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਾਂ ਦੋ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਨੇ।
Papa, can I go there, Mama?
Ask Papa.
Papa, can I go there?
Oh, let's check.
Let's check first.
Let's check first.
Where's the stars? The stars should be not right here.
मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से याद है
The kids are so noisy. Do you like them?
No.
You don't like the kids here. He likes the TPS kids daw.
Okay. They are better.
These kids are not nice.
Ah,
Nice.
okay.
How about you? Are you nice?
Yeah,
Were you nice to them?
yeah. But they're so noisy.
Yeah.
I hate them.
Don't hate. You just don't like what they're doing. You wanna walk along the ano?
Step.
Ayan, meron kang ano.
Wow.
Careful.
I love my world.
You love your world.
I want to love my world.
Of course.
You love this world?
Yeah.
You love this country?
Yeah.
Or you want Philippines?
Right. Hi.
Can you put water? I want to drink.
Share.
I want to go to the boat.
There, anak,
Later,
that
we will
way.
ride the boat later.
Order mo naman.
Ayan, Al-Sif, Dubai.
I just took a
Papa, hawak
lot.
mo na. Wipe your face. Come on. So beautiful.
You remember?
So pretty.
Mama, can I drink water?
One more?
Yeah. I'll burp.
He's screaming. Ano na papa? Ang maganda ano?
Oo nga, no? Lalaki nung...
Yeah.
We just did that the other day.
Thanks.
No.
We just take a picture. I wanna... Ay, ang sad naman.
Go.
We're not going there. We just went there the other day, anak.
Ang lalaki na nito, oh. Parang ganito yung ina natin, no?
Parang ganda. Tanggalin mo yung ano.
Yung sa taas. Hindi, mas malaki pa rito. 3 floors kasi yun, eh.
Oo nga, ayun o. One.
Ah,
Sa loob, tapos yung taas. Let's go.
Mama.
What?
I want to play.
Where?
I want to check the water.
You wanna see the water? Hmm. Where? There's nobody there.
Where?
He will help you.
where?
There. He wants to ride the boat again. We're gonna ride the other boat.
Later,
Anak.
we will ride the small
Not this
boat.
one.
Not the big one.
Would you like dinner cruise, sir? 2-hour dinner cruise.
No, we just did. We just did it the other day.
Wait, there's a hole.
Look at those cranes up there. Do you see them? How many do you see? The cranes? How many cranes?
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. That's right.
Why are there 8 of them?
Because they're building. They're building those, I don't know, buildings. Towers. Buildings.
Wait, and what's in the
And you want to stand up here in the corner? Stand up here in the corner. Papa will take your picture. Stand here. Stand one.
Okay.
There's a fountain. Hindi pa lang ganito dito.
Oh.
Here, open mo
Sorry.
yung dito.
Wow, look at this. Bahay yata.
Or office.
Ganda namang bahay na ito. Nandito na siya.
May anong bed? Anong office? Office siya.
Ayun, yung bahay eh. Ah, parang hotel.
Office.
Office ba?
Hotel.
Hotel.
Are you tired?
Ah!
What is that?
Why is that the road like that?
It's a road.
There should be no road like
Why not?
Why not?
Why not? Why can't they put
Magandang
roads
gabi.
here?
Because they put open wide side.
You don't want any roads here? It should only be what?
Why is it
Water?
right here? Why not?
It can only be water?
Why not?
What a place.
Oh, you sit here now. Sit here. So many stripes.
Wow. Wow, that's so big. Look, look. Take a look. That is so big. Wait, 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 wait. It will be, it's making it bigger. Oh, wait for the robot. Look, look. Wow. Oh, it's not yet done? Ah, it will give now to you. Oh, wait, wait, wait. The door will... So look here. Wow. Get... Oh. So eat it now, bite. So big.
Here. Done.
Stop this.